Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is actually your first time, I'm Natalie and I talk about everything as it relates to packing up and moving to Canada. Now, as a newcomer to Canada, I purchased my first home last November, and one of my major projects has been centered around my basement renovation. Now, you can always go back to see just how it looked when I closed on the home. It was scary. It was like a horror movie as far as I'm concerned. It never looked good. But today's episode, I'm going to show you how I've turned that blob into something that has space. I've had partitions. It's looking amazing. So stay tuned. Definitely taking shape. Ooh, love my big barn door already. I can just see how it's gonna look really good.
Yeah, so now you have the option of either sliding it one way or the other, the left or right swing.
Oh,
There's nothing on both sides.
nice. Whoa. Jeez, this is like amazing. Seriously amazing. It's just how quickly and easily like the place can just be transformed.
Yeah.
Whoa. Wow. And it looks like you're gonna be able to finish most of the stuff today.
No. To
No?
do all the balances take another whole day.
Oh. So my framer showed me that I didn't have heat running in the basement, so that was a new cost for the HVAC. But even more frightening was the fact that I had to rerun the electrical because the electrical was so old and not well done. And after the electrical came the insulation. Is it safe for me to be right here right now?
Pardon?
Is it safe for me to be right here right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Because I know I always heard that everyone's supposed to, cover it, and I was like, snap, I didn't even walk with my regular mask.
No, that's fine. I mean, once you're down for too long, you just start feeling it like in your throat.
Okay.
That's why we wear it, but
Yeah.
lots of guys we work with don't even wear it all day. They just tough it out.
Oh my gosh. Is that even healthy to do?
No.
Jeez. So you don't use gloves though? Is it okay for your hands?
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't bother us. We're used to it, right?
Yeah. So this may be done in less than the 4 hours then?
Yeah. Hopefully 2 hours.
2? But you guys look like you're halfway through. Like...
That's because it always starts off easy, and then you get to the tricky, more.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right?
Yeah. Oh dear. I was gonna say I'm starting to feel nice and warm already, and I'm like, it's probably just my mind.
No, it probably is. goes quick.
Right?
In electrical.
That sounds like it works. That's exciting. So has it been really difficult to get behind here with the furnace there? I was like,
No,
okay, good.
usual. I mean,
It's normally that tricky
easier
anyways.
if it's not there, of course, but
Workable still.
yeah.
Okay, let me just get a quick peek to see. By the way, I actually wanted to move these storage units into the pantry, but they were so heavy and not so versatile, so I eventually sold them on Facebook Marketplace. So I have so much more space now in the storage room. So this actually took probably about 4 or 5 hours in total. And just so you know, we only had to do the exterior facing walls because that would be where all the coldness would be coming from during the winter months. And let me tell you, Nick did his entire basement insulation on his own. But yeah, I'm not Nick. So I had to get professionals to get this done. So I'm satisfied with it. And as I said, it did not take a very long time to get it to this state. We're far along. So what happens now is that the drywall goes like directly in front with the plastic in between, right?
Alright.
So the drywall will just go right here between the
Right on top though.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Looking even more different. Interesting. Okay. Interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Jeez, you guys are definitely almost, well, at least I think for sure that you're almost done.
We are almost done. We're just putting some finishing touches on for you.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh, this bulb is giving me a lot of stress. I'm gonna have to change it. Right, like I don't even know. I was supposed to do it last night and I forgot. In the laundry room / utility area, and we got some junk in here. Some extra drywall for right now. That's right there, but yeah. Then to my left here is our pantry. You walk right through the door here, and we're gonna make the pantry right there. To my right here is a mini guest bedroom / office. We're trying to figure all the details out. And then right here is the main area. So we just have the couch down here right now. And we have some extra insulation over there backed up. So this is gonna be, of course, a TV room, and then it's a mini dining area for a nice little high top table that we have and some high stools. So yeah, this is how it's gonna be. In the space down there, of course, is the storage room. and don't know yet. I wanted to get barn doors, but still thinking about that as to whether or not I'm going to do all of that. And stuff are in here now. Some of these stuff don't belong in here. Like we have a smart TV in here, we have a TV stand, we have lots of different stuff in here. We have stuff for the laundry room, etc. And that's because we needed in here to be empty. The only things that we're allowed to have down here for the drywall are actually the couch and the washer and dryer. That's Jeff's office chair. He's using another one now upstairs, so that's going to be moved later tonight. And then of course these are my summer tires, which I'm putting on momentarily. And so yeah, this is the space transforming already. So the framing is done, yes, new electrical work happening. So if I come in here for instance, you see all of what's happening, right? New electrical stuff, bam, right there. Over here, these switches are here for now. This one controls the lights here. The pot lights are going to be up a staircase. Yeah, these two actually. Yeah, installation just done. Of course, this coming week should be drywall, which should really make the space even more shocking, right? Oh, I forgot to say too that I got the HVAC stuff done, so I added some new I don't remember what it's called. I'm using this as a YouTube video. I'm sure I'll put whatever it was. So we added this because there was no heat in the basement, so we had them add to the furnace. So this, which one is new? I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I think some of these new ones, yeah, to ensure that we have heat that's gonna be coming in this room right here. That's one. I don't have light in here as yet. Working on that new power stuff and whatever, sort it out, all of that. Yeah, so many projects. We're gonna get the laundry makeover coming. We're gonna get the pantry, oh my gosh, coming soon. Definitely whatever is gonna be in here, we'll do something for here. That's 3 episodes already, probably 4 here, and then whichever episode I'm sharing this is obviously for one, so that's already 5. So much to see down here, and this is just where it's at. So framing done so far, electrical halfway through. The rest of the electrical work will be done after the drywall. We've done the insulation, we did some HVAC stuff, and now we're waiting on the drywall. So people, oh, by the way, Jeff and I are going to be working on the flooring ourselves. It's going to be such an interesting project. I'm not very handy, so we'll see how that goes. And in the laundry room, there's a little issue because it is kind of a little slant. It's not leveled, so we're going to have to figure this out. Don't mind this cloth, we were dusting stuff today. So yeah, that's what's going on. I am so excited about these projects, and these are some of the stuff that are kind of going out. The stairway, all of here, lots of work that have to be done. So these are so many episodes, and I'm gonna bring you all with me. Anyways, that's all. If I'm ending the video right here, please remember to click that you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, share with a friend, and ring off the notification bell so you will not miss a beat. You'll be notified when I post a new video right here on this channel. Bye guys.